Hello everybody, my name is Davis and welcome back to another video, and today we are here for another severe weather breakdown. Now today we're going to be talking about an upcoming severe weather outbreak that's going to bring damaging winds, large hail, and even a few tornadoes to a certain portion of the United States. So let's go ahead and get right into it, starting off with the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today, where we have two marginal risks of severe weather. One of them is going to be centered around portions of southern Texas, the other one's going to be across portions of the southeast. Tornado threat for today. If you're in that green area, you have a 2% chance to see a tornado in your town. That does include Houston and San Antonio, so have a tornado action plan in place today if you are in those locations. Damaging wind threat for today. If you're in either of those brown areas, you have a 5% chance to see wind gusts of 60 miles per hour or higher in your town, so look out for that. Hail threat for today. If you're in any of those brown areas there, you have a 5% chance to see hail of 1 inch or larger in your town, so look out for that. Now moving on to tomorrow, we have no risks for severe weather, but on Monday we have a marginal risk of severe weather here for portions of central Florida. This is mainly going to be a damaging wind and isolated tornado threat, but some large hail cannot be ruled out. Now moving on to Tuesday, we don't have any risks of severe weather. Wednesday, we don't have any risks of severe weather, but on Thursday here we have a day 6 slight risk of severe weather for portions of the central and southern plains here. This does include areas like Wichita, Kansas, Woodward, Oklahoma, Oklahoma City, Fort Sill, Oklahoma, all the way down into Wichita Falls, Texas, so look out for that. Now going into Friday, we have another slight risk of severe weather, this one being scattered across portions of the Midwest and the South Central United States and portions of the Mid-Mississippi Valley here, alright? This does include areas like Oklahoma City, alright? We've got Norman, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Springfield, Missouri, Jefferson City, Missouri, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Lincoln, and Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, and then eventually going all the way into Hannibal, Missouri, Springfield, and Peoria, Illinois, so look out for that. Now moving on to what the models are showing for these upcoming storms, we see that right now we have a lot of storm activity firing off across portions of the Red River Valley here in parts of North Texas. Some of these storms are causing flash flooding and some are strong to severe. It's going to be the evening time hours though, where we're watching for that tornado threat in the southeastern portion of Texas tonight, so make sure that you do have a tornado action plan in place. Once again, around 8 p.m. a couple tornadoes are possible. It's a very low risk overall, but it is there. Now moving into later tonight, those storms are going to sweep through portions of Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi, mainly just posing a heavy rainfall risk, but everything else is not going to be a massive problem. After that system moves out of there, we're not going to have much else for a while here in the United States until we get into about Tuesday. We can start to see some showers and storms firing off in portions of the Midwestern United States, but we're not expecting any severe weather from that. So moving on to watches, warnings, and advisories, we have some freeze watches in effect there and some frost advisories across portions of the Ohio Valley, so make sure that you are protecting sensitive vegetation as these few final freezes kick in before spring approaches. Southeastern Wyoming, we got a few counties there under winter weather advisories. We could see some isolated heavy snowfall amounts, so look out for that. We've also got some freeze watches in effect here for portions of the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle, so look out for that. A flood watch is in effect for portions of southeast Texas because, again, the main threat with this storm system, other than damaging winds, is actually going to be the heavy rainfall. We could see some isolated spots get quite a bit of rain. In fact, we already have a flash flood warning here for a couple of counties in central Texas, so make sure that you don't drive and stay alive. So anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I will be going live for all these upcoming severe weather events that we mentioned today, so thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace.